One eternity later.
24 lessons I learned in 2024. So the first lesson that I learned was do not lead by ego but lead everything with love and purpose. So the second lesson was do it for yourself and not for others. Third, face your fears no matter how bad or how difficult or how fearful you feel. In the end, everything will work out. So face your fears. Most important, love yourself. When you're disciplined, when you're committed to your own self, everything changes. Have systems. Systems are habits or routines that you can have for your own self. And when things are not working in your favor, when things are bad, when things are terrible, situations are not good, you can fall back to these routines. And these are the same routines, these are the systems that will help you build yourself back up. Just keep trying no matter how difficult things are. Just don't stop giving so much importance to the outcomes. Stop attaching yourself so much to the outcomes and just keep trying. Then there will be one day wherein you will be the happiest that you did not give up back then. Seventh is the most important that I learned. Do not let anyone, let me tell you, anyone, be it your family members, be it your mentor, anybody tell you what you can and what you cannot do. Do not let anybody put you in a box. You are the one who is gonna live your life. Not let anybody take your dreams away from you. When you share your dreams with others, when you tell your dreams to other people, they do not have the same mentality as you have. Sometimes some people can let you down, and only you have the power to allow others to let you down. So first thing first, do not let other people define you. Just keep doing what you are doing. Do not give up on your dreams. If somebody said that you cannot do this thing, just let it go and focus on what you have to do, and one day you will be able to achieve it. Also, do not let anybody who is not in your shoes give you advice. Do not take advice from people who have not been in your shoes. Number 8 would be do what makes you happy. Do what you love. Number 9 would be habits over mind. So for example, if you feel lazy, just do not let your emotions or your mind take control of you. Number 10 would be health is wealth. This is again an important lesson that I learned this year. 11th would be stop begging universe, God or higher source to give you things that are not meant for you. For example, you are going through a breakup, you want to attract your ex, do not do that. Do not do that. That person is not meant for you. You broke up for a reason. Stop trying to chase, stop trying to beg, stop begging universe for the things that are not meant for you. Instead, ask universe or the God or the higher source to give you things that are meant for you, and you can ask for the strength to accept and receive the things that are actually meant for you. And when these things are given by the universe to you, you just have to accept it with an open heart and with an open mind. So ask universe for the strength, ask universe for the strength to follow your purpose, ask universe for the good things that are meant for you instead of chasing the things that are not meant for you. And I'm telling you, this will make a difference. Change your prayers. Instead of asking for the things that aren't meant for you, instead of begging, instead of just crying, seek the love that is meant for you. When I say seek the love, ask for the things that are meant for you. Number 12 would be, it is the most difficult lesson that I learned this year. Accept people for who they are and not for their potential. Love people for who they are and not for their potential. 13 would be true to yourself. Do not lie to yourself in any circumstances. If you are true to yourself, you will be able to build a healthier life for your own being, and you will be able to get out of the situations much better. 14th would be, you will never be bored of building your own life. If you are busy building your life, you will never be bored. 15th is be a loud lover. When I say be a loud lover, express your love. Life is really short. You have to express your love to your loved ones, be it your father, your mother, your siblings, your partner, your best friend, your friends. Be expressive. Life is really short. You have to feel the love within yourself. You have to love yourself. When you love yourself, you are more and more expressive about your love, to yourself and to other people around you. Number 16 would be, do not lose yourself to people, to a partner, to your relationships, to your friends, to any situation, under any circumstances. Do not lose yourself. Nobody can take you from you. Number 17 would be, observe, do not absorb. So instead of absorbing, start observing. 18th is, your vision will come into life if you water a plant instead of a stone. 19 would be, no one will do the work for you. You have to do it for yourself. People can just give you advice, free advice, which don't matter anymore in your life. You just have to keep working for yourself. You come first. You are your first priority. Everything else comes second. Be it your career, be it your family, be it your partner, everything else comes second. You are your first priority. When I say you, your being, your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health, your spiritual health, everything comes first. 20 would be, there is a reason you are dreaming about it. You have that dream, you have that desire. Fulfill it and you will know the reason why it was put in your heart. So just start working towards it. 21 would be, show up for yourself every single day, even if it's for 5 minutes. You have to show up for yourself. Second would be, relationships need a lot of care, efforts, and for example, if there are new people in your life, and you have to make sure that the people who were earlier present in your life, so for example, if you have found a partner, if you found a new friend group, and you before that you did not have friends, and your siblings or your family were your friends, and you would always make time for them, and now you are not able to do that. You have to make sure that you are not replacing them. You have to balance the relationships. You have to nurture them. You have to respect your old relationships as well as your new relationships. 23 would be, don't be ashamed to desire. Do not let anybody fool you. Do not let anybody make you feel that your desires are too big, you cannot achieve them. It's in your hands, you can achieve them. Just don't be ashamed to desire anything. 24 would be, your fear of being seen is holding you back. So do not let your fears hold you back. You have to allow yourself to be seen. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, comments how you like the video, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video. I forgot to add this point. Before anything major happens in your life, before universe or God, your higher source, gives you your manifestation, you may feel that not a lot of things are happening in your life. You may feel that life is either going in a very slow mode, or you may feel a lot is happening. You may start seeing signs like other people start having the things that you desire, that you wanted in your life. So take it as a sign instead of feeling jealous. So just be open to receiving it. Related to this thing, I also understood that before it gets better, it sometimes gets worse, and in that worse moments you may feel that you are alone, but it's not like that. Universe is on your side. It's just preparing you for something big.